Hey guys, Zip 2001. Today is Saturday. Instead of the road, we are on the 29 Plus. I put the new cassette on yesterday, new chain, tuned it up a little bit. I'm going to take it out. When I put the new cassette on, I wanted to rebuild the hub. Lucky I went into the hub to see how it was, because I had a broken spring on one of the pawls and the other one was really damaged. I was able to save it. I've got another broken wheel that I destroyed from a ride a year before. So when I get a chance, I'm going to rip that hub apart and steal the springs for the pawl. Because right now I'm running on a bent spring on one pawl. The other pawl doesn't have anything, so we'll see how it hooks up. I also had an interesting encounter. I pulled the bike out, was getting ready to put the wheel on, and the vehicle pulls up to me and says, "Are we going to see a video today?" I guess his wife is a subscriber of mine, so that's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. Who would watch any of my knucklehead videos? Hey, I appreciate it. Hey, let's go for a ride. I heard some chainsaws closer to the parking lot area. I think they were one of the trails there that I tried, I think it was last week or a week and a half ago, that there was some new trees down. I think they might be clearing that out. Tis the season to start clearing all the stuff that fell during winter. Just having fun out in the woods. Yeah, baby. Let's go get some climbing in. Yep. How you doing? Thank you. Way too many gears left. Gee, a turtle can go up this hill faster than me. How you doing? Good. You're welcome. Great day to be out. Although you guys are cheating, you got 4 legs.
I know. Thank you so much. He's only 6 and only seen a couple bites.
Yeah, that's no problem. I'll keep talking. Don't want to make him nervous. It's a different kind of horse, that's all.
Yeah, exactly.
A pink one.
All right.
No, I love it. You can see you know.
I know.
Coming.
Great, thank you very
Have a great one, ladies. Like we said before, horses have the right of way. That's why I was trying to peek ahead. Like I said, I saw a horse poop a while back, and I'm just thinking to myself, I didn't know if it was fresh or not, but you know, yeah. Once you see horse trails coming in, you just want to be aware they could be anywhere. And I want to stop as soon as I see them. Try and stay talking to them because sometimes horses get a little nervous. But stay talking to them a little bit better for me. On your lap. Thank you. Hey guys, Zip 2001, and now it's time to put this in the car. It ran great, shifted great, had no problems with it, so we're all set with that. The one paw with the loose spring held up, so we will rebuild it though. So it's time to go get Mrs. Z. Let's go. And we'll be back out here. Hey, guess what? I'm back. I'm double dipping today. And hey, we put the bikes on Mrs. Z's car rack. And this is the first time a bike of mine has ever ridden outside of the car. Woohoo! So let's get it going. Yeehaw! that tree that went down. Wow. Wow, look at that. Whew. Wow. That's a monster tree, huh? Wow. Yep. That's running pretty good. Running pretty good. Oh, they got both of them open. Usually one, run one. Straight up. Oh shit. Shit. Oh, that sucks. Yep, broke my chain. Oh. That's good. Well, I get to do the walk of shame back to the car. Mrs. E is out riding a little bit. It's just, wow. That's the first chain I've ever broken. Never broken one on the bike, on the road bike. Like I said, I've been around the trails for 8 years now. And like I said, I put this new chain on, what did I do? Friday, today's Saturday. I did 2 hours on the bike earlier today, doing a ton of climbing. Not one issue at all. Go for a leisure ride with Mrs. Z and it snaps. And what really gets me, it snapped, I don't know, about 6 or 8 links away from the master link. Oh well. It is what it is. We'll get it back to the bike cave. I got a chain tool there. And we'll fix it up. Ooh. You know, I'm thinking what made my chain break. I said earlier, this is the first time my bike has ever ridden on the outside of a car. I jinxed a chain. That's what happened. I jinxed a chain. I'm just figuring out some kind of excuse. That really baffles me, man. I did a ton of climbing today. Not a single issue. Do nothing and bang. Mwah. I'm just a crybaby. I'm just a crybaby. Well, I hope Mrs. E is having a fun ride. Well. Hey, look who's coming. There ain't no hills around here. How'd the ride go, buddy?
Good.
Except for that.